Hey aviators! I hope that everything's going well with school, whether it's virtual or in person. Welcome to Virtual Art Masterpiece. Today we're going to talk about the color wheel and how to mix the colors of the rainbow. So these colors here that I have are called the primary colors, and you don't have to do this part of the project. This is just to show you how to mix the colors and how it works. We are going to be making a color wheel today. We are going to create orange, green, and purple because red, yellow, and blue are called primary colors. Orange, green, and purple are the secondary or complementary colors, and those we make using these colors. So I'm going to show you how that's done, and then I will show you how to make the color wheel. So if you take a little bit of red, I'm going to just dump it. Take a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow. You get orange. So red plus yellow equals orange. Now, I want you to take a minute and try to guess what color we can make with yellow and blue. We're going to take a little bit of blue. And a little bit of yellow. And it made green. So cool. We almost have the whole rainbow. We are missing purple. So this one's a little bit harder because one of the colors isn't right next to it. Can anyone guess what we're gonna make in this bucket? We're gonna take a little bit of red and a little bit of blue and we make purple. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And now we're going to do that with a paintbrush and paint, and we are going to create this color wheel. If you don't have access to this file, then you can create this color wheel, which is just taking the red, blue, and yellow paint and mixing the paint together with a paintbrush and making dots where the secondary or complementary colors belong. Hey guys, so here we are. We're going to make our color wheel. I am going to start with the primary colors. So make this top one up here red and paint it in. Then we'll get a clean brush, skip one because we're going to make orange there, and make this one yellow. And just do the best you can with the lines. There we go. And then get another clean brush. Skip one more because we're going to make this one green. Fill this empty brush with blue, and we're going to make this one blue. And again, just fill it in the best that you can. Try not to leave any white, but try to stay inside the lines. Okay, so go back to your red brush now and use a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow and mix them together to make orange. And you can make a dark orange or a light orange. I'm going to go with a little bit of a light orange, which means I use more yellow. And then we paint in this one right here with orange. And again, try to stay inside the lines, but try to make it so that there's no white. All right. So now, go to your yellow brush, get a little bit of this yellow over here that doesn't have red in it, and a little bit of blue. Mix them up for some green, and then paint this piece of the pie green. My brush is falling apart. All right, so then take your blue brush, get a little bit of blue that doesn't have yellow and a little bit of red, mix them together. I like to use a lot of red so that it's a lighter purple. And make this final piece of the pie purple. Oops, and there's gonna be wet paint around, so just know that you might pick up some blue or red, but that's okay because that's the two colors that we use to make the purple. And there you go. And then again, if you don't have access to this file with the pieces of the pie, then you can go ahead and just make it with circles or stars or squares or hearts, whatever you can do to mix the colors to make the primary, to make the secondary or complementary colors.